Hi everyone. So in this video we're going to be looking at discontinuous variations. So one type of variation is about features that are distinct. For example, gender can be either male or female. There is no intermediates between genders. Another example is blood groups. You can either have blood group A, B, AB, or O. There are no intermediates between the blood groups. Of course, you have A positive, A negative, O positive, O negative, but these are not intermediate. There are still different versions of the blood groups. So they are distinct variation, distinct features. For example, some people are either colorblind or they are not colorblind. Some are either albino or they are not albino. Some exhibit dwarfism, they are dwarf, they are short, small-sized people, or they are not. People either have sickle cell anemia or do not have sickle cell anemia. These are genetic issues, not necessarily defects, but genetic issues. So any kind of variation that is entirely genetically controlled only by the genes. So the environment has nothing to do with it. Alterations that you do afterwards has nothing to do with it. So these are called discontinuous variation. Either you have this one or you have the other one. Either you have it, for example, color blindness, you have it, or you do not have it. Now, one example of a discontinuous variation is tongue rolling. You can try right now. Try to see if you can roll your tongue as shown in the picture here. Either you can do it or you cannot do it. So this is a form of discontinuous variation. Now in your copybook, you're going to take down this definition of discontinuous variation. So these are distinct features that are entirely genetically controlled. They cannot be altered by any external conditions. So you write down the subtitle discontinuous variation and you take down the definition. Other examples of discontinuous variations include eye color, hair color, and skin color. While there is a lot of different options for eye color, hair color, or skin color, there is not an infinite range of these characteristics. There is a limited number of eye color, there is a limited number of natural hair color, and a limited number of natural skin color. So these are examples of discontinuous variations.